New in Stella Architect 3.8 is the ability to pin variables to the parameter control window. This makes it easier for you as a modeler to test things without an interface. Let me show you how it works. By going to Window, Open Parameter Control Panel, I get the parameter control window, which I'm going to dock into place. I can then go into my model where I've got loads of policies, and I can take a policy like the tax rate on newly installed solar and wind energy capacity and drag it into the list, and you'll see that it's automatically pinned, meaning it'll be kept in the list even if I do a restore all devices. What this lets me do is come back up to the root level here, go to explore mode, click on the value, in order to set this graphical function. So I'm going to change the tax rates on solar and wind energy to be like this. And then I'm going to go to real GDP and see the difference. If I hit restore all devices, then you'll see this variable isn't removed from the parameter control panel, but its value has been reset. Likewise, if I go into the module, and let's say I change a different policy, like the tax rate on newly installed hydropower capacity, which I can do by changing a graphical function here out of the results panel, you'll see in the parameter control window, it's listed but not pinned. What happens then if I hit restore all devices is that the tax rate on newly installed hydro capacity is removed from the list. So by adding things here to the parameter control window and pinning them, I make it so that I always have a list of policies here in this list that are very easy for me to work with. We find that this is a pretty helpful feature when you're trying to generate scenarios using your model without developing an interface.